My glasses fog. It's hot and humid. It's gross. Good morning and welcome to another vlog. Good morning and welcome to another vlog.
Good morning.
Today I brought my family along. We're gonna go for a cruise. Can you see my baby? No, probably not. She's got a bus stop button. She loves it. So today we're going on a cruise with the local car scene. I'm pretty new here, so I'm very excited because it looks like there's gonna be a lot of people that are gonna come out. Maybe about 40 cars. We're gonna go cruise about 4 different dams. I guess there's a lot of dams here. So that'll be interesting. Someone's bringing a drone. Should be a lot of fun. Let's check it out. We're late because baby life. Right, Coco? Yeah. So I'm just waiting on them to let us know where they're at because we missed the first meetup point thing. And we're hungry. So we went to a Lawsons. Fun fact, 7-Elevens are really rare in Okinawa. They don't have a lot of them, but they do have Lawsons and Family Marts. Got a fish sandwich. I just went in to get something else. We will find these guys soon. We found them. We'll let this RX-7 get in front of us. Oh, and the tour. We'll let everybody get in front of us. Why not? Ooh, there's a Fit RS behind us. I really like those. Checking out Nismo's car. Look at this. My wife pointed his car out. She really likes it. See how it says Nismology there? That's like his brand kind of thing. But it's like ghosted into the paint. It's really awesome. See? Can you see it? With the kanji? Kaiju R.
Kaiju R.
Because they call these cars Godzillas. The show? Yeah. R33s. Everyone loves the 86s. Little tofu action there. This guy here, he's turboed. He's low-key lit. So wide. Oh. Hopefully this music doesn't pick up. He's got some cool headlights. So this one's a turbo beams, I believe, 4-cylinder. Nice spec R there. This is my favorite one on island right here. His name's Pat. Oh, he's not there. Oh well, that's my favorite one. If there's one thing that's true about Okinawa is that just as suddenly as they'll start raining, it'll stop. So like we're getting rained on now, but nobody cares. They just get in their car and just drive to the next place, and probably it'll be sunny by then. So this is dam number 1. All right. You can see the city. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This is a Suzuki Alto works. I didn't know, full disclosure, that they come 4-wheel drive. So this thing has a turbo, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Turbo, it's 2-door, hatchback, all-wheel drive, engine's under 600 cc. It weighs probably, what, like 1,000 kilos?
Yeah.
So probably it weighs like 1,500 pounds or something like that. Yep. I would reckon it makes like 90 horsepower around there. About 70, yeah. Is it okay if I open the door? And look how, it's clean, believe me. Like, see, look at all this. So it's manual. And the really nice thing about these cars is I see them all the time at Yamanashi. You probably see them in my old videos. Is you strip it out, you put new tires on it, job done, go to the track, have a good time. It's even got a spoiler on it. A cigar in his convertible Lexus. Oh, there's so much swag there. It's great. Ooh, I like his taillights. Look at his taillights. Hey, joint.
views with his whole yard.
Guys, got some Stagias, RX-8, Supra. This gray one, apparently he does toge a lot, so that's interesting. Ah. Coco's looking at the, oh yeah, good idea. Oh, she stuck her head out. She does not like being in the shade, apparently. Oh, music. Copyrights. Yeah, looks like it. Woo! He's got a dash mat in there. This is cool. So the car's silver on top and it gradients to a wine red. Look at that. I've never seen anything like that. I thought it was paint fade, but it's not. It's just a gradient. That's cool. I dig it. It's unique. Huh. We got the Moto Compo. Very nice.
Make it pass all the cars. Yeah. Yo.
Yeah. Got classy crown here. I bet he's more comfortable than the rest of us. I bet your air conditioning works well too, doesn't it? Yeah. Another turbo Altezza. There's Nismo. Nismology on YouTube, right? Yeah.
That's the Bean's big brother right there.
Yeah.
You don't mind, do you? This is crazy.
No, go for it. Go for it.
This is crazy.
That's crazy, man. Yeah. It's got a HKS twin plate clutch, a two-way mechanical, one slip differential, rear adjustable control arms, SAR digital dash, HKS FD Con Pro ECU, Blitz ECR coilovers. I put those in because the HKS ones were blown. He live on the sick one, on the floor.
Where's the drone?
What is this, Fast and Furious? Too many cars.
ご来店ありがとうございます。順番にお受けいたしますので、しばらくお待ちください。
Choco Sunday hitotsu onegaishimasu.
That's actually not bad. Nice big chicken sandwich, root beer. Cards over there.
Do? Oishi? There's something you don't see every day. SRT8. It's a nice Civic. I think that's the EJ. It's the EG Coupe. Oh, the super guys here. I got a crate. It's pretty good. You're a saint. My glasses fog. It's hot and humid. It's gross, but it's beautiful. It's one of the least. I like that house. This is a nice place.
Yeah. We filmed the movie in Jet, right? Yeah, Jet.
I want to go up there.
Make sure we leave the same time with everybody else.
Yeah, so I don't get lost.
I ain't following Nate this time.
They following Nate. Pop, pop.
Okay, we're heading out. Look at this engine bay. Woo. It's a lot of shiny.
It used to be nicer.
It's still pretty a far sight better than what it. You know what the part that's nicest is this right here.
Oh yeah.
So one thing that's really cool about this car scene, I think I've noticed, is there's definitely clicks, right, which are not necessarily a good thing, but there's a really nice variety of people who come out here. So there's like a crew of guys who just do, like, they like to do toge a lot. That's these guys over here. They're getting ready to leave. There's like old luxury guys. There's young guys who are just kind of getting into the scene. There's some guys who just, you know, drive whatever they could. Look at that. Wow. We just caught up to them and they were headed to another dam. So many dams on this island. I don't think I can keep up with them with my family in the back. It's just going to be too uncomfortable for them and I don't really want to. Man, this is beautiful. Dam Lake. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for following.